Have you been looking for a single attached house and lot that's close to Metro Manila but still within the 5 to 6 million price range? Well, this might be the house for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Arman Cruz, and today we're here in Adel Residences in San Pedro, Laguna to feature the ready for occupancy single attached houses that is within the 5 to 6 million range. So let's begin this house tour. This property sits in a minimum lot area of 80 square meters and a floor area of 67 square meters. Meron po siyang 3 bedrooms and meron po siyang toilet and bath na magkahiwalay. Magkahiwalay po yung shower area, magkahiwalay rin po ang ating toilet, and magkahiwalay rin po yung ating sink, which makes it very efficient, especially pag maraming tao sa bahay. Pwede pong magsasabay-sabay kayo na paggamit ng toilet, sink, and shower. And also, meron din po siyang kitchen na meron pong cabinets, meron po siyang living and also dining area. You have a carport that can fit 1 to 2 cars depending on your need, and meron din po tayong space for our garden. So tara, simulan natin ang ating exterior tour ng bahay, starting with the front. Yung frontage natin, we have over 3 meters frontage. Pwede po tayong malagay ng ating garden. Pwede rin po tayong maglagay ng ating garden chairs para po mag-welcome ng guests. Actually, dito sa turnover po natin, kasama na yung fence natin, wala lang po siyang gate. Ang maganda po na meron po siyang fence is alam nyo na po yung boundaries at hindi na kayo sasakop sa kapitbahay nyo, or yung kapitbahay nyo, hindi na sasakopin yung parte ng property nyo. Now, on this side of the property is the provision for your carport. So again, depende po sa pangangailangan nyo, you can convert it into a 1 carport if you only have 1 vehicle. Pero kung dalawang kotse, kasya naman po yung dalawang kotse na magkatalikuran po siya. And then as we move a little bit further, dito sa bandang likod, nakikita nyo naman na we have an access door or sliding glass door access going inside to the house. And then dito rin po sa gilid is sink para pwede po natin siya gawing outdoor laundry. Pwede rin po tayo magkaroon ng sarili nating dirty kitchen dito sa labas. So let's go inside the house. This unit that we'll be showing you is the actual turnover unit. Actually, I think this is for sale. So kitang-kita nyo naman as we enter, you'll be greeted by our steel door na may peephole. So hindi pa talaga 100% finished to. And yung flooring natin pagpasok would be wash pebble po siya. So as we enter, this is one of the reasons bakit gusto ko po si Adel Residences. Napakaaliwalas po niya pagpasok. So as we enter, we'll be greeted by our corner windows na white sliding glass windows po siya. Napakaganda. And then this is the provision for our ground floor. Dito po yung living area natin. Dito rin naman yung provision po natin for our dining area. And as you can see, yung ceiling height natin, approximately siguro mga 2.5 to 2.7 meters yung height niya. And yung flooring natin is 60 by 60 porcelain tiles ba to or ceramic tiles? Pero ano po siya, matte finish. So medyo maganda, hindi po siya masyadong makintab. So para po sa mga clients na hindi mahilig sa makintab na tiles, perfect na perfect po to. And ang linis po niyang tignan. And right across will be yung ilalim ng hagdan natin na which can be converted to a cabinet or storage po natin. Pwede rin po tayo maglagay dito dito is ihang yung ating flat screen TV. So let's move a little bit dito sa side na to. Kanina I pointed this out when we did our exterior tour. This is a sliding glass door leading to your parking or maybe your service area. Ito rin, kagandahan na merong sliding glass door is you can expand your house. You can take this off and then create a structure on the outside, expanding your house automatically. Napakaluwag niya. Now, as we move further, this is our kitchen area. So for the kitchen, upon turnover, inclusive na po yung ating modular cabinets na overhead and then cabinets sa baba. And then meron na rin po tayong granite countertop with your sink and meron na tayong faucet. So hindi na tayo masyado magdadagdag. Unless kayo po, mas gusto nyo, marami pa kayong gustong idagdag. Pero this one, kapag wala naman kayo masyadong arte na gustong idagdag, pwedeng-pwede na to. Now dito rin po sa ating kitchen, meron na tayong access to our only toilet and bath. And dito sa bahay. So nakikita nyo, pinaghiwalay po nila. Kasi since isa lang po yung toilet and bath niya, pinaghiwalay po nila yung sink, yung shower, and also yung toilet. Ang advantage po niyan, if you have a lot of people moving all together in the morning, pagpapasok, pwede pong sabay-sabay pong may gumagalaw dyan. May nagme-makeup, may nagwiwi, meron po nag-shower. So, ang maganda po dyan is, you have a lot of moving spaces. So, maganda po siya. Hindi pa siya tapos, pero this is you will see this in the action. Meron po tayong model unit. Mas malinis lang po tong unit na to. So tapos na tayo sa ground floor, akit tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Dito po meron tayong 3 bedrooms. Let's begin with the first bedroom dito sa pinakadulo. So it's just a good size. By the way, halos lahat ng mga kwarto dito, meron na po siyang kasamang parang tamang size lang po na cabinet. So meron po siyang small cabinet dyan. And then meron tayong provision for a window type aircon. For our tiles, nag-iba po siya. Sa baba, porcelain siya or ceramic tiles. Dito, vinyl planks po siya. And then yung ceiling height natin, medyo bumaba siya ng konti. Pero ang maganda, meron rin po siyang window access. So maganda po dyan, at least meron pa rin po tayong lagusan ng hangin. Meron din tayong provision for our lighting fixture. Now right beside the first bedroom is the second bedroom, slightly bigger as compared to the first one. Okay, medyo mas malaki po siya. Pero mas malaki rin po yung cabinet natin dito. So kasya siguro dito semi-double bed or 2 single bed. Depende po kung paano nyo pagkakasyahin. But what I like about this one, ito pong corner room na to sa likod, is yung ability natin to expand. So makikita nyo, meron tayo dito sa likod na structure na pwede po nating buksan tong windows na to and then we can expand it backwards and sidewards. Actually, when you go on a site visit, makikita niyo po na most of the residents here dito sa Adel, nag-expand na po sila ng bahay. Ang ginawa nila, tinanggal po nila itong corner window na to para mas mapalapad yung bahay nila. So yan yung mga pwede niyong gawin. Kaya sinasabi ko, maganda po is you can expand this house according to the need of your family. So punta naman tayo sa master's bedroom. So ang maganda dito rin kasi sa Adel, if you've been looking for a single attached, and syempre, within the budget ka lang, hindi mo kaya yung matataas na price range, abot ka ng 8 million, 9 million, this is perfect for you. And ang gagawin na lang natin para gusto mo mas malaking bahay, just expand your house. This is your master's bedroom. Meron po siyang sariling cabinet din. And then you also have this corner window. Alam niyo po, napakaganda ng corner window because kitang-kita po, napakaliwalas ng bahay. So nagbibigay siya ng ample natural light sa loob ng bahay. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to learn more about Adel Residences or schedule a site visit, we'll be happy to assist you. You can contact us in the contact information on the screen. There we have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also our iMessage. Now, if you are still looking for houses and you would like to get updated with the latest properties that we sell here in Live in the South PH, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box and on the comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!